Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add video effects to your favorites on CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm just going to add in a video first, then I'm going to select effects and I'm going to find a video effect. For instance, this one I'm going to add it. And for example, I really like this video effect and I want to save it so that I can use it for future videos. So to do that, you are just going to hover above the filter or effect that you want to save and select the star right here. And as you can see in the favorites, it will be added up here. You can also do it for filters. Oh, no, you can't. You can also do it for stickers, I think. Yeah, you can do it for stickers, effects, audio, and I think that's it. You can't favorite the rest. As you can see, you can favorite audio too. So just select the star, and also on stickers, I have this one as my favorite. For instance, I want this to be added, just select the star. If you want to unfavorite it, just select the star again, and it's going to be deleted from your favorites bar here, and it's going to be at the very top. So it's easy for you guys to find. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!